Hi, my friends. Thank you for coming back to Mr. Teddy's Pre-K. We're going to look at a book today that is all about numbers. Do you know your numbers? Numbers are things like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But there are lots of other numbers besides those numbers. Let's read a very fun number book called Chicka 123. This book was written by Bill Martin Jr. Let's see what happens in this fun story. Here we go. It says, one told two, and two told three. I'll beat you to the top of the apple tree. Do you see the numbers right there? I see 1, 2, and 3. Do you know those numbers? Let's look at these number cards and they'll help us. There's number 1. Sometimes he's a stick. Sometimes he has a little flag on him. Say 1. Next, 2. Say 2. Next, 3. Say 3. So we've got numbers 1, 2, and 3 climbing up an apple tree. Climb, said 4 to 5 and 6, bright little numbers that join the mix. Hurry, yelled 7 to number 8, slowpoke fellow who's always late. Do you see number 7 right here? He's purple. Say 7. Chicka 123, will there be a place for me? Who is saying that? I think it's this number right here. What number is that, my friends? You're right, it looks like an O, but that would be a letter. That's the number 0. He's wondering if there's a place for him on the apple tree. Here comes 9 to the apple tree. Next comes 10 and then 11. Do you see 11 right there? Wow, these apples taste like heaven. Chicka 123, will there be a place for me? 0 hasn't climbed to the tree yet. Hot pink 12 and lucky 13, picking apples red and green. 14, 15, can't you see? They all want to go up in the apple tree. Chicka 123, will there be a place for me? Well, what do you think? Do you think there's going to be a place for number 0? 16 is next to go up the scene, climbing branches with 17. Did you notice our numbers are getting higher and higher and bigger? 18, 19, one more makes 20. Numbers, there are plenty. Chicka 123, will there be a place for me? Poor little 0, he's just sitting there watching everybody climb the tree. Ooh, now our numbers get really big. 30 and 40 climbing up the tree. 50 and 60 and 70 with long hair. Do you see 70 in his long hair? Chicka 123, will there be a place for me? Let's climb more, says Treetop 80. Higher and higher, up to 90. Until at last there's 99. And all the numbers are feeling fine. Except for 0, who begins to cry. Do you see him down there, guys? He says, Chicka 123, will there be a place for me? Poor little 0. Oh no! Buzzing. Bumblebees. 0 hides behind the tree. Get out of our tree, the bumblebees shout. And all the numbers come tumbling out. Do you see that bee right there? Oh no, the bee wants the numbers to leave and they all fall out. 90 and 80 and 70 fall to the ground. Do you see that? 60 and 50 and 40. No more climbing, no more fun. 30 is next, and then sweet little 20. They're all falling out of the tree. 19 and 18, 17 and 16 and 14 and 13 and 12. Look at that. They're all tumbling out. Uh-oh. What's going to happen next? Next comes bent 11 and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chicka, chicka, 1, 2, 3. Now I know a place for me. So 0 has found a place. I wonder where it's going to be. It says he leaps up into the sky. He's a brave little number. He's not shy. He's going to the top of the tree. 0 lands on top of the tree and he joins 10. Do you see the blue number 10? 0 joined the end. Now they make a big, big number. 100. Do you know what number that is? It's 100. It's a very large number. And he says, chicka, chicka, 1, 2, 3. Here's the place that's just for me.